was already one of our business units. So a prior acquisition or another part of the company had already been working with Anura. So that was really kind of how it came up for us, and how we were introduced, or how I was introduced to Rich and to Anura originally. And, just being in the business that we're in of leads, clicks, and calls, and ultimately providing sales for our advertisers, it's very important to us that we have a solution. We knew that it was something that we need to roll out, globally. And so, like I said, we had something already in place that I was sort of unaware of at the time. And I was already heading that direction to speak to Anura, and lo and behold, we already had an account. So that's kind of how we came together from my side.
I recall, I think the business unit that we had originally gotten in on, and I can't remember if it was, I think it was already acquired at that time. And from what I recall, and just refreshing my memory, looking at the case study that we've gotten, I think the case study has been around 5-6 years now. It's been there for a bit. You guys were actually using another solution at the time and still having issues. And this is one of the reasons why we dominate in the lead performance marketing space, because of the accuracy and the thoroughness of the analytics that we have in our system. It's, you guys are performance-based marketing, and the last thing you can afford is false positives on, mismarking real people as fraud as they're coming through your different funnels and your different different channels that you guys have. So once we were able to prove ourselves that we were able to identify things accurately, and it was a long test, it was a battery of tests. And when we finally proved ourselves, we started working together. And then ever since then, it's been one department after another, looking for a solution, finding out you already had one that they were happy with, and then rolling it across the enterprise, which has been great.
Definitely.